Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be washing my car using some new products. I'll be using the new 303 Automotive Line by Gold Eagle. Super excited to be sharing with you guys these products and sharing with you how I feel about them and how they work for me. So if you want to see how these products work, please continue to watch.
Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me.
Alright guys, so my car is pretty dirty. It's been about probably a month since I washed it the last time. So I'm super excited to be trying these new products on it and see how they work. So we're just going to start by doing the inside first and vacuuming out first. So I'm just going to take some water and wipe out the inside.
All I can say thank you. I think is what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently.
So here's the interior protectant where you're putting on the chair. So far it's looking beautiful, giving back the chair that shine. So this is going to seal and protect my leather.
So much differently.
So over here doesn't have on the protector as yet, and over here it does. As you can see the difference with the shine compared to over
I
there.
am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity.
So the protectant also provides UV protection. It prevents fading and cracking. It also leaves a dry matte finish, which is no oily or greasy feeling. It's also safe for vinyl, clear coat, fiberglass, carbon fiber, synthetic or natural rubber, plastics, and of course finished leather.
Every time that I look back, I see my.
So this is how the inside is looking now after I apply the interior protectant. This product is not greasy at all. There's some products that will be like greasy when you apply it, but this is not greasy at all, and it gives it that nice shine. Next, I'm just going to be using the tire and rubber cleaner. What this does is it preps for the 303 tire balm or any other tire dressing that you want to use. It has a color changing formula that you can actually watch and see the dirt and grime dissolve quickly and easily. It removes like tire browning, and it's great for rubber floor mats as well as wheels, and it's safe for all wheel types.
Exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently. I am different to you. Every time that I look
So for soap, we're going to be using the Ultra Concentrated Car Wash. This leaves a clean, streak-free shine. It has a very high foam formula and it won't strip the wax of the coating, and it also smells so good, guys. So to apply it, we're going to be using our little spray bottle with a nozzle that attaches to the hose. I know some of you guys recommended this to me the last clean with me car video that I did, and I went and I got one, and it's so much easier. Thank you guys for the recommendation. So as you can see, it still keeps that foamy consistency, which I like, and it's one of the things you should look for when you're looking for a car wash to wash your car with. So to lift up the dirt and grease and grime off the car, I'm gonna go in and wash it with my sponge as well. So as you can see, it does leave a nice streak-free shine. As I'm wiping it off, I'm seeing that there are no streaks and she is shining, so that's a plus for me.
All I can say, the word is thank you. I think is what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves. Exactly.
So Gold Eagle also sent me their speed detailer, which you can use in between car washes, so I'll definitely be using it. They also sent the metal polish, which is a polish that I'm going to be using to restore, rejuvenate the shine and luster to like my metals. You can use it on your car rims or your grills or any other metal that you have on your car. It removes rust and corrosion, and it also prevents future scratches.
I am different to you.
So for my tire dressing, I'm going to be using the 303 Tire Balm and Protectant. This is a non-greasy formula. It dries quickly, and you can either do like a matte finish or have a gloss finish, and it also protects from dry rot. So I like my tires to be shiny, so I'm going to put on 2 coats. If you want like a natural finish, you just put on like 1 coat, but I like a glossy finish, so I'm going to put on 2 coats of this.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. I am different.
So here's the finished look, guys. I really enjoyed using all these products, and they smell so good. Big shout out to Gold Eagle again for hooking me up with these products to try out and giving you guys a review on them. My favorite will have to be the tire and rubber cleaner along with the tire balm and protectant. It smells so good, and I love to see all the grease and everything fall out of the tire and have it so clean. So if you guys want to get a hold of these products, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below so you guys can go check them out and try them. Let me know if you do, and if you already tried them before, let me know down in the comment section and how you like them. So thanks again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.
Doubted all that I could